This is how to repair KEF Cadenza.
It's not, you don't know nothing.
Show them how to repair it. Tell them how to repair it. This one is not, this is original. That one's not.
Well,
Someone's already changed them.
Hey, how did that fit in there?
Someone's already changed them. Tell YouTube how to fix the KEF Cadenzas.
Well, it's easy. You just need a toothbrush. You need a toothbrush. And also a bit of, you get a big brush after the dust tip. You put some sellotape around it. And look.
Okay, that's enough of that bullshit. You just get a new one of these. It's on eBay. And you get a new one of those.
It's not.
I'll order it next week, put it in.
What you do, you dream.
That's part 2 of this video.
Dreaming